Now, the first thing to say is, what on earth is a lovely big cathedral doing in a tiny little place like Wells? And of course, the answer is in the name Wells. It's a spring, or a source, I think is the word in German. So that's over there, and there would have been fresh water pouring out of the ground. It would have been a sight of wonder, but also of life. People would have gathered around the fresh water coming out of the ground. And it would have been, we know it was worshipped in pagan times, and we know it was worshipped in Roman times, and then there was a chapel, and it's called St. Andrew's Well, and you can see it in the garden, so it's fantastic. So the bubbles up, all the fresh water. The bishop here came in 1175, Bishop Reginald de Boon, had seen in Paris this fantastic piece of Gothic architecture in Saint-Denis. Now, it was the first Gothic architecture in the world, and it was actually on the edge of the Saint-Denis. It was in a restoration, but he was so struck with it that he thought, I want a cathedral like that, and I want one ground up, and I want it all Gothic.
An old rhyming pilgrim's prayer, and I'm thinking that you in a sense are all on a pilgrimage, perhaps part of your journey today, but in this journey through life. And I think it's not a bad little prayer. Give us, Lord, a bit of sun, a bit of work and a bit of fun. Give us in all the struggle and sputter our daily bread and a bit of butter. Give us health, our keep to make, and a bit to spare for others' sake. Give us too a bit of song, and a tale and a book to help us along. Give us, Lord, a chance to be our goodly best, brave, wise and free. Our goodly best for ourselves and others, till all folk learn to live as brothers and sisters. Amen.
and then somebody would come and feed them. Well, what happened after that is, because it was happening too regular, they put the cord through in behind the window. So now the people that feed the swans, yes, feed them, and they ring the bell from the inside.